So this is a video just demonstrating how you solder the little tiny surface mount capacitors onto boards. So I've got a Wogglebug board here. They come in the bandoliers. Tip one out, and the best way is to deal with them with needle nose pliers because they're pretty tiny. Can't do it with your fingers. So get a good small pair of pliers, and then the next thing you need to do is to solder just one side, one end of one of the pads. Put a blob of solder on there, and then we pick up the little capacitor and rest it on top of the blob of solder, and then reheat the solder, and it should connect the two, it should drop down into it. So once that's cooled, flip it round, do the same to the other side, blob of solder on, and make sure that when you finish soldering and it connects the pad and the silver bit of the surface mount capacitor. And that's it.